Yesterday, I never want me up on my cocky shit down. Top striker, me just not the bench. Go from goal, me attack the defense. Me a go out with my mother for brother. Me elevate my circle and the motion. Know that. Honestly, first nation.
Know that, first nation. Welcome, General.
Oh, in there, I'm bed.
When you're bed, after what kind of time? Oh, yeah, work tomorrow still. Me let you off. I be good what?
Sleep.
But that brother ain't no easy.
What this time of night? I work on disrespecting you come on man life I come talk about.
Now what the blood clot this brother has.
You could really come and talk about me girl could give you man. Me girl give you. Come here, come and give you one thing man. Me girl give. This one you can. Rasta the game to you. Me girl cap. Yo, put on a cap here man. Right now you come like you want. You not gonna cap on.
Coffee and the man attack.
You not gonna cap on.
Bed
You put
and
on a
all
cap
them
on.
type of thing. But you know easy.
You want cap them you can.
You know the
You want cap. Put on a cap and wake up here man.
Yeah,
I'm showing the battle, man.
Oh, the blood clot this bed.
I watch it.
Eh? Look after
I
him.
understand what I'm saying. Bed.
Brian showing the battle, man. Making know you're not tea drinking.
How true? I mean, if you see.
Yeah. So I go on the
Just fill up him tea, David.
I don't mean
It's not me, it's not Rasta.
You cannot blame me. I'm not holding that. I'm not Rasta neither.
It's not Rasta.
Oh yeah, it's Rasta. Are you
Oh, the
man? So
blood clot, if I know I'm on.
what's a Rasta on that?
But they still don't know what about man, say I'm on.
Yeah, whatever it is, man. Just go on top of the screen now. Don't make it a lazy finger, you know. Make it tap your life till you go sleep. Alright, drop asleep, tap in. Alright, we're doing alright. Alright, we're doing alright. Bless up yourself, yeah? Yeah. Alright, man. Cool. Yeah.
When I first hear that, drop asleep, tapping. That's a no.
New show, how about it here?
Drop asleep.
Sweet music. Yeah. Me used to ugly and broke, now me all grown up, so who give a fuck? Them used to say the youth did a cuff, now we know every boss after my music a come. Used to want sell keeping on my scheme just for me to collect the free soup in a cup. Enough people use me as a, but me know where the youth did a go, yeah. Hard work, faith and strong mind, give me the power for me defeat all bad mind. Now me there at the Benz and I'm expand days and me never have fear for your hand time. What a time on God and time. You know how much time is so that's mine. Look to myself and I one dive. No never go change. Yeah, now you see the Benz key or the one of me. Me on the
That's a long time. A long time, I tell you that. Man, shiver long.
The man a farming, brother. You see the man turn? One ton pound, brother. Sam Mayfair, do
Wagwan family.
What? That yeah, sick. that idiot. Them man done soft.
Soft for sure, man.
Soft from the man of God, little church and little thing, brother. No man now rate way.
All the warrior them good and want the whole nothing now plug up, brother. The man shrivel down.
I hope you are running. The man a car meal, brother. Let's see the man third. The man turn from me, brother.
Yes, sir, me, sir.
You are talking church boy here for me.
No, never talk to him.
Tell him.
Now, deal with him, brother.
Wagwan family. Wagwan. When you want to hear brother. Come on and say you're clown. Now that you say that, when I say again, weak.
Like him back, they shrivel down.
Shrivel down.
That church close.
And that you said that, tell the man down the line.
Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. Hard and serious. Hard and no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about man cool like ice cream. No boy can go round me. And I saw the things that they cheap.
Soft for sure, man.
From the man of God, little church and little thing, brother. No one now rate way.
All the warrior them good and want the whole nothing now plug up, brother.
I hope you are running. The man a car meal, brother. You see the man third. The man turn from me, brother.
Yes, sir, me, sir.
You are talking church boy here for me. No never talk.
Until they
Tell him.
now, deal with him, brother.
Wagwan family. Wagwan. When you want to hear, say, brother. The man I say you're clown. But that you say that. When I say again, weak, weak.
Like him back, they shrivel down.
Shrivel down.
That church close.
And that you say that.
Let me tell you about streets anywhere we go. Hard and serious. Hard and no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about man cool like ice cream. No boy can go round me. And I saw the things that they cheap. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.
When I wait for the phone call. Run, God, I'm going to tell you that straight. I ain't God.
Come here now, stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in my face. Say them one place I run around that. Man a action back, some boy only full of tough chat. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action if you back. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Empty barrel a make noise like them a no nobody, them a no nobody. Can't step to the president, all of me dogs, them a be mad smaddy. Have a one piece of metal and a post dog, you know bad man from nowhere. You must sit down, love your life, cause it now work if you step to me. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action if you back. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up hurt and drop down flat. From you not stop my food, dog, me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in my face, say them one place I run around that. Man a action back, some boy only full of tough chat. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action if you back. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Boy them, no fear them, boy them. Jungle no fear them. Tower no fear them. Boat more no fear them. Boat no view no fear them. We no play them. Hot boy, enough of them stairs up. enough of them stay, so Tom and tell them,
You kill a one of you with them dog, yo, John, yo, dog, yo. Yo, John, I'm some guy come and tell man, stay in the man, come out, dog, yo, John, you kill me son, star. Yo, kill her, boy, get away. The boy get away. Yo, we not going to get away over, so. Yo, we not going to run him down. Yo, I'm going to take him down. Yo, John, I'm son, because I'm going to stay in the man, come on, John, yo, dog. Yo, call him on the that night, brother, you sit down there and a sense, brother. And we call him on, get away, youth. I don't know try telling me, youth. I want me to do, brother. Bomba clap, yo.
What was it? What's that?
Big up all UK people, big up all Caribbeans, big up all Londonites, big up all Birmingham, big up all Galchester, big up all Peterborough.
Stay there because it's down there. What you do today?
Fire in the pot.
Let's go. Chassis better than me. Tell man to shut up. Shut up. In your tweets. Everyone tries my name in the tweets. Shut up. How can you be better than me? Oh, fam, shut up. Shut up. Let's receive. Tell me that shut up. Come man, call me a backup dancer. Say to the bricks, I'm a backup dancer. If that makes me a backup dancer, the man in the pits, backup dancer. The man in the pits, backup dancer. I'm gonna chat about backup dancer. Big man like me with a beard, I'm a big man on the fuck now backup. Comes everywhere I go. I can't run with my enemy show. Walk in the club with all of my tugs. Parties done, everybody go home. Apart from the girl, them you don't say. Walk in the club with the girl say hey. Tell a man like I'm paid to the A. There's no champagne, we don't pay. Yeah, I'm the best, I'm so cocky. I got a mob like ASAP Rocky. I set trends, done my copy. They catch feelings, I catch Roddy. They roll deep, I roll squaddy. Got about 25 rooms in my posse. They drink Baileys, I drink Bossy. I get murky, they get worried. If you got a G18, bring it out. Most of the real bad boys in the south. If you wanna do me something, I'm about. I'm not a gangster, I'm just about. When you see my man over there with a pouch. Yeah, when a new man try to get loud. All of my man, them move so foul. I might sing, but I ain't sold out. Nowadays, all of my shows sold out. Headline 2 years, blood sold out. When we roll in, we roll out. I'm so London, I'm so south. Feeling the ends like there ain't no drought. Fips don't talk like he's got no mouth. I wanna make my mum so proud. Like go mum, like go now. All of my ex don't talk to me hard. Talk to my face, don't talk to my palm. Had 4 bills and I bought in your car. Little red whip that I bought from my mom. I straight murder some walk in the park. I take care when I walk on my plants. These MCs when I talk about Lord of the Mics. You ain't even Lord of the Yard. Dead MCs better leave me alone.
When I tune you done, the next tune, too big for your boots. Too big for your boots.
When I'm hungry, I'm trying to eat them, give me the bones. Now these niggas, they need me to grow. Hot chocolate and a panini to grow. I'm a big man from the Coastal War. I'm upset about the Mobile Wars. Yeah, I was best of the Mobile Wars. Why? Because I ain't won the Mobile before. All of you MCs sound so bitter. Shut down wireless, shut down Twitter. Shout out DP, shout out Flipper. Guess my HF blood. If you don't rate me, shame on you. If you don't rate me, shame on you. Can I order a death red for an MC? Wait, he wants beef and me make that too. Anyone else wanna make that move? Anyone else wanna pay that G's? Swift chocolate in my face so smooth. Imposters wanna take my tune. Check it, don't even trust me, my show too. The man still go hard for the 4 hours. I hate times my kids will walk. 2 cigarettes and a bottle of water. So the bouncers get a bottle of water. Man in the kitchen putting in order. Sweet chocolate, sweet fear like water. Smooth in the street, start walking up the door. Brown skin girl and the trouble went down. Shut the way that you get shut one. No, easy.
Big for them boot. How too big for them boot? Big for them boot, yeah. People big for them boot. Make sure you boot on the right size. But the shoes on the big fear. No. If the big fear not comfortable, if too small, it don't come.
You get way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up the you. Man, know that I kick up the you. Then why dare try to suck the truth? How dare you to suck the truth? You're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size toes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up the you. Man, know that I kick up the you. Then why dare try to suck the truth? How dare you to suck the truth? Wanna come round there like a bad boy, do it. Want all the talking, go on and do it. Running through the party, bottle of Bacardi. Goes on my ear, saying spoon, don't do it. Devil on my shoulder, I don't lap. Hitting with a crowbar, I don't scrap. Even when I'm sober, I'm so gassy, ride, but there's no car and no match. What you talking about? Now, stand down. Never had a Mac 10 or a shape out. You were never bad then, you ain't bad now. Never had a Mac then, little nigga back down. Wait, I saw bare kicks, saw bare clothes. Said fuck that, I can't wear those. I don't like them, they're not my thing. They went silent, they're all weirdos. Like yeah, Storms on Claire. Never had a Tom Ford or a Montclair. Man, them I call me, you see my gun there. Fuck crease, tell them don't do it, don't dare. Don't care who you know from my block. No, not Al Capone, will get blocked. They can take my car and my creps. I still do the road in my socks. Like who's gonna stop me? You, him, weed and a cigarette, blue slims. Don't be an idiot, move smart. I've been killing it, king. Niggas ain't ready for my new stuff. You're a prick by yourself, going group up. And when crack went states for the BETs, I was covering crack like a boot cut. If mad, it's a family thing, straight family thing. Dumb man, I brought no salary thing. Had a painting called Amy, telling me to come round hers on a Valerie thing. Hashtag Murky Academy thing. Coming like art in the gallery thing. Dumb boy there wanna chat about bars, wanna chat about crud, but. Yeah, way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size clothes my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up for you. Man, know that I kick up for you. Then boy there try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? Look, I'm too hot. Drug money in my shoebox. I'm the man of the house and my show sold out like the brother from the Boondocks. Beat Swan in my boombox. Still stealing meat from the shoe box. Man, I'm real sick with my tune drops. Little man, that's a rude bro, not a rude block. What? Pronouncing right the grip. I go mad, I'm down to die for this. I don't care, bro, I'm down to pack your shit. Man, stress, so I'm down to like a flip. Wait, I'm down to ride for flips. Real G's gonna ride around to this. Man, I got no time to ride for this. I never left my 9 to 5 for this race, man, thing. I don't care what rave man's in. I came here to relax, but if it gets man, make a young boy take man's things. Try to tell me I'm way too big to rebel. Nah, man, you're never too big to rebel. I was in the O2 singing my lungs out, rude, but you're never too big for a Adele. Leave my yard, blow a kiss to my girl. Salute to my sister as well. Gotta keep trophies down at my mum's bed. Man, I'm getting way too big for myself. When I see bare MCs on the sideline, but I still got a couple bangs in the pipeline. Man, I got grown men at me bullshit. You're getting way too old for the timeline. You're getting way too old for this. Should've looked after your kids. Get out the booth, go home to your son. It's never too late to commit. It's like man, love, put my name in the bar. Random flag, get a play the guitar. This year I learned how to take care of business. Next year I learn how to play the guitar. You're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size clothes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up for you. Man, know that I kick up for you. Then boy there try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth? Look, you're getting way too big for your boots. You're never too big for the boot. I got the big size clothes on my feet. Your face ain't big for my boots. Kick up for you. Man, know that I kick up for you. Then boy there try to suck the truth. How dare you to suck the truth?
Yeah. I whiny, man. I'm super surprised.
One more dab and it's back to business. I'm a real G and your dad's a witness. Boy Joe Brody and your sister begged it. I told that little bitch don't ask the pictures. I do this thing for fitness. Put them Cowie boys and Rizzlers. Fall out to the next family function. The Cowies are gonna have a good Christmas. So why you love to talk about mum so much? Where's yours? Where's yours? Let me just lie. Let me just pause. Now fuck that man, I gotta done the virus. Sorry Wiley, you should have been the one to guide us. But since you wanna diss my mum so much, let's talk about why you read your mum to Cyprus. That poor little woman was scared in the house car. You put her life in danger, you prick. Bricks and shots just fly through your window. You couldn't be the person to save her, you prick. Instead of you to squeeze the pumpy, you said, yo mum, you gotta leave the country. I never wanna hear you say free the man then. Let's go Cyprus and go free your mumsy. Got mumsy banged up abroad. All because of some there's a flaws. Can't handle this, so she handles it like I handle the war. That ain't funny anymore. Cause I'm not a happy bunny anymore. They don't really wanna bring it to your mummy anymore. So your dad can't defend your bro. You can't defend your mum, and I wonder what she thinks. All the males in your family are weak links. Gather round, man, this is just a pre-drinks. Ripping the weave off my mum's head, okay, well, that's a lie. What we telling facts or jokes? Oh shit, I forgot, this is grand soul, say what you like then. That would've done, let's have a fight then. Don't mention them niggas, I don't like them. Fuck all them niggas, they ain't my friends, so don't hack them. Mum's life, man, I wanna kick him in the mouth, man. Niggas got private, it's bigger in the south, while you weren't on it and your dad weren't on it. Guess your mum should've had a real nigga in the house to defend her. Broken woman, I wanna mend her. Fuck her back and then bend her. So much loving, I wanna lend her. Got so
so much money I wanna send her. Where can I send it? Yeah. When you're putting her through, I wanna end it. I like that you're not self-centered. You open the door and look who entered. Oh, it's the king of grind, king of grind. How's it the king of grind, but on drill? Now I'm the king of grind, I won't chill. King of grind, oh, it's no big deal. See this thing, yeah, I run that. Keep it crack, we don't bun that. Come on the mission and let your gun clap. I'm gonna start a petition to get your mum back. She wants to come back. Oh Lord, you got mumsy banged up abroad. You got mumsy ran off the ends. And it's foul cause it ain't her fault. She was trying to relax, but her son got caught in a war. One day there's dons at the door, the next day Heathrow, Terminal 4. It's a shame, what she needed was a strong man in the house. Fuck that, I'ma be the man of your house. It's like we'll come home, there's a man in the house. It's like your mum was the only real man in the house. Shower on the rhythm and I shower on the mat. Thought it was love, you were sour on the side. Fuck boy, let me know how you wanna die. 24 hours to reply.
24 hours to reply. Yeah, people.
Yes. Santa. That's T. Look, I see a lot of men let their jealousy creep in. What you eat with, the girls that you sleep with, what you talk with, walk with, speak with. The first to the motives and last to the meetings. All I know is how to work, bruv. Start off as a worker, and that's just how it works, bruv. When I was trying to work, niggas never tried to turn up, but when it's time to turn up, everybody turns up. And I don't know what I was thinking with the tweets about the searches, but when Harry got murdered, man was so emotional, trying to find solutions. I had some good intentions, but I guess I couldn't word them. And life's so funny. I got a message saying that the streets don't love me, the streets don't love you. If you died today, they wouldn't donate to your fucking GoFundMe. A lot of men hate me, but man can't touch me. That's why I got a chuckle, I'm a poet, no Chucky. My mummy trying to wake me up for college in the morning is the only time a human on this earth has ever rushed me. Boy, it's true, I told the muse that skunk weed is gonna poison you. All you wanna do is go and score a point or two. It's ironic, everybody's got a point to prove. When we were young, we never listened to them older man. How you beefing, man, if you don't even know the man? Before you poke a man, you man wanna expose a man. All for some Instagram clout and exposing gangs. So what's gangster then? I don't really know if I'm honest. When we were young, we had dreams of being bosses, ballers, doctors, lawyers in the office. So how did that turn into dropping out of college? Snaps in a prison cell, bodies in a coffin. London is cursed, this city's got a problem. My bro ain't got a bird, he got an ostrich, a fucking life sentence. So don't talk about experience, I say what I want and that's period. My team's serious, I still got a squad full of lifers. From Dungate to ISIS, freedom is priceless. And I see a lot of men trying to draw me out. I feel the tension in the air when I walk around. But would you rather be the person talking or the person doing all the things that people talk about? Scratch that, I ain't with a bad chat. My mum calls me David, girls call me Santan and fam. I don't give a fuck if you're a bad man, you madman. The only guy I'm dodging is the tax man. They say that fame is a game, and it's true, cause if you say the wrong word, then everybody wants to hang man. Ask Serge about the times that I had, man. I brought the fam together like when Tommy got the black hand. And if you got a good girl, you need to keep her close and let her in.
Fall upon the enemies. Rain fall upon the enemies. No, so I hold it by them more than I like we don't know why. We don't fall upon them still. So fall and watch them one. Yeah, man. Them can't sing body.
Yeah. Let your man speak. I never put no colours on my timepiece. I told you niggas cut me out the Grammys, and now you got me fucking up some gram needs. So now running up your gums, man, I'll double back and then I go and double up my funds. And when you finish sucking all your mums, I'll do another quarter mil and get another number one. It's like I'm getting bored of you boys. Flex on them looking like the Alderman boys. Big Mac, I was making all of the noise, and the big brother jacket, that's the boots of your boy. They rate me, that's so blatant. When it's for the future, I'm that's so raven. Whenever they say my name, I take a payment. Even when I make it rain, I make a statement. Let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies. On all of my enemies. Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Goose in the winter, keep my back warm. Told my little brother, keep my sack warm. Kill me with some rap corn. I'm a bigger hitter on a bigger platform. Now we did the jiggle walk. Reminisce about the spinners that might hit a ball. So allow me with that Twitter talk. I can't even hear you through these Brit Awards. Put my shades on, hoodie up and send a prayer up to Trayvon. They're trying to figure out how a nigga put his name on, and how a nigga did it with no chains on. I'll give you the keys to no stress. First you give God the praise and see him work. I can't never be on my knees, I'm too blessed. Cause anytime I make it rain or reimburse, then I let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies. On all of my enemies. Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Yo, fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Let the rain fall on my enemies. Fall on my enemies. Yeah, let the rain fall on my enemies. On all of my enemies. Lord, let the rain fall on my enemies. Let it fall on my enemies. Yo.
The shackles on my feet so I can stand it. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. You broke the chains, now I can lift my head. I wanna praise you. I wanna praise you. The shackles on my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you.
No, yeah, sir.
True. Hey, I'm trying to get paid, take money, cash checks. You see the set, that's Lash, that's Dex. Young C, Young Shorty, Milcavelli, White Bricks, True Religion on the telly, it's me. Wiz got a house full of freaks, that's why I haven't been around for a week. I'm getting pounds in my sleep, I'm at the top of the mountain, it's peak. Bring it back before the villain. I had a life, real talk, true religion. It's in the blood, in the jeans, in the stitching. Walked in, no weapon, made a killing. Tongue kissing, pretty women. New iPhone, cause I'm done with all the bitching. Trying to be in my position. Keep my shades on, cause they're trying to see the vision.
Tell me, bad man, say I need your love. Say I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell I say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night. Yeah, waste no time.
Breakfast in bed on a plane. I could never complain. I was walking with the limp, had the cane. Deck said greatness and nothing was the same. Now it's set for life. I saw the turn up button and I pressed it twice. You heard I'm in the club, then my best advice is put your shoes on and come and get your wife. Cause we've been having sex just for exercise. Every night man are doing sexercise. She look into my eyes, now she's mesmerized.
She tell me, bad man, say I need your love. Say I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell I say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy, stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night. Give me love for the night. Yeah, waste no time.
Hey, they better get used to the flex. African man, you see the jewels on my neck. Black James Bond, that's the new silhouette. You see me in the street and I was moving correct. Been running around trying to do the home run. Left that girl, she was no fun. I tie one, smoke one. Big Chief Skeppy and I answer to no one. Counting my blessings, I'm feeling special. Bird's eye view, SK level. Give them the shack when I dance with the devil. Young fella Kuti, the return of the rebel. I told her I need some space. No busybody, never stay in one place. And she knows I got more tricks under my sleeve. That's why she never wants me to leave.
She tell me, bad man, say I need your love. Say I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me
That was it. I remember this time.
Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. When we gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. And a fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me. You know I'm feeling you. So I'm leaving you, yeah. Hey fancy, all your heart state, none of vacancy. Last time see up on FaceTime, shutting up the place, boating on my relationship. Me I go put you on lockdown. I put your body Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Oh, maybe gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah. And a fast start, make you want the fast part, yeah. I know you're feeling me, you know I'm feeling you. So I'm with you, yeah.
Say you want travel, we go whole pally. Say you hope in your love and not just no tally. Make my heart full of some love it totally. Do my own thing, I'm in not trouble nobody.
I'm watching out for the party out. And they didn't hear about them are watching now. Swing on me, no miss like Pacquiao. What you feeling for hot coffee out? Watching out. All you want talk about how much you money. Yeah, anything you want, I feel got the money. Yeah, me give you my heart, make you take it from me. Where will we go? When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road. Where we go? Oh, maybe gonna start, pull up in a fast car, yeah.
Now I'll put this in there, a box.
Wait, I tell you, sir, time to move. No plug out, this walk on, light on and them things. No, man, I know them not the problem. The socket up as a light on the box. Light on and so.
Want to run inside and the scissors?